Next question on the board. Shalom Kavod. I heard turning on the light could constitute building a circuit Melacha of Boneh. Would it be a concern on Yom Tov when asking a non-Jew to turn on the light?
No. Okay, so on even though it is true, I think it's that's what Chazanish said, that when turn on the light or on Shabbos in general it's Boneh. Well, what is Boneh? Boneh is building like something like when switch is off, it's like broken, so the whole circuit is broken, right? It's not working, right? And you did something, you flip the switch, and now it's working. So it's like you build it, it was broken, and you build it, and now it is working. So that's that's one of the reasons. So but for non-Jews there is no problem, right? There is no problem because it's for the sake of the mitzvah. Okay, so but it must be for the sake of the mitzvah, as he said, you need the light, for example, to study. You need the light to eat, right? So in this case, yes, you can ask a non-Jew to flip the switch for you. Okay, but otherwise, yes. I mean, if you need like in a different room, or when you keep either some things that not relevant, okay, so, or turn light for your garden. You have house gardens like flowers, right? So this light would not be allowed.
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
Okay, welcome.
Next question, Shalom Kavod. Thank you very much for the Shiur. Question: during Shabbos, could it be considered Boneh to place toothpicks around the cake mold, and then place a napkin on top? Thank you, Rabbi.
I think the question. So you have a cake, you put a toothpicks, and you put a napkin on top, and what is it accomplish? I don't.
Around the cake mold, not the cake itself, but the mold.
But what is it?
I don't know if to hold it tight. I don't know if this. Not sure what would it. And then place a napkin on top.
Whoever asked the question, could you please clarify? Because I'm not apologize. I'm not familiar with the situation. If you clarify, what is it for? Because I'm not sure.
Our friend says to avoid the napkin to get glued to the cake.
I'm not getting. I mean, I understand. So you put the toothpicks in a napkin and put the napkin on top. But why do you need to put the napkin on top? Like, why don't you just eat the cake? I don't understand this part. So what?
I don't know if our friend means to put the toothpicks around the cake mold in order to create some space in between the surface of the cake and the napkin, so that they don't touch each other and the napkin doesn't get glued to the surface of the cake.
Like just to cover the cake? I don't know. So,
yes, our friend says yes to cover the.
Like so the flies would not would not sit on it, like something like that, maybe. I don't know. I'm just guessing. I never heard of such a situation. But let's say just protect from insects, right? So if you're going to eat it on these days, so it's not boneh because it is temporary. So it's temporary, and that's not what that's not what people usually do. So I don't think there is a problem with boneh with food. Okay. What else?
Your friend says to keep the moisture from the cake. He said
Mm-hmm.
for the dry water, so it doesn't get dry.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
For example, yeah, that's what our friend says.
Okay. Yeah, so I think that's not a problem. It's not boneh. Preserve me.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
Our friend says, thank you, Rabbi.
Okay, you're welcome.